Hello everyone, this is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas. My crafting idea for today is to use this wooden shape that I found at the Dollar Tree. And also this napkin. Let me open this up. It is quite a large piece of napkin, look at that. You get 6 images on one napkin, which is really good. Let me get this opened up here. And let me get you a measurement on this little oval piece here. It is 8.5 inches on the length and 5 inches across. I'm gonna go ahead and paint my board here. Let's put a little base paint on there. I guess it doesn't really matter which side. I'm just going to use antique white acrylic paint. I'm going to put some music on while I do my painting here. Okay, I think I'm going to turn it this way, and I went ahead and tore out the little wagon there. I put that there. I can put my Hello Spring here. That looks good, huh? I think I like that one. Okay, I'm going to press this down. My paint is still damp, so I can press my napkin down. And this side. Well, you can use Mod Podge to adhere your napkin to your surface. To go ahead and add some Mod Podge. I have Mod Podge for paper. So I got some gel pens here, and what I want to do is just darken my colors just a little bit here. Okay, so I have the blue. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and color my edging. I'm going to use Peridot metallic acrylic paint. And let's see how this turns out. I am hoping it'll be well. Here is my Hello Spring sign. I like it. It turned out really well. So all my flowers are now sparkling in the sunlight. So cute. I painted in the napkin where it was showing white. So I have my whole background now all matching. And then I went ahead and finished my edging with the metallic Peridot acrylic paint. I also did a little border here. And I painted the back side also. Yep, very cute. Again, my napkin came from the Dollar Tree. That's what it looks like. My wood shape also came from the Dollar Tree. And then on this project here, I used the gel pins that came from the Dollar Tree also. Here is my Hello Spring sign again. And what I did is I cut a piece of my floral stem and I attached it to the back with some, I used E6000. I wanted to make sure it stayed put. Okay, here is my finished Hello Spring sign. Look at that. So cute. I like it. I put it on my spring wreath there. I think it turned out really well. I like it. My florals came from Hobby Lobby. If you watched my last video, you saw the brown and tin version of that. And I hope you guys like it and that I have inspired you to create your own sign for your project. This is Aurelia. I appreciate you for watching my videos, and I would like to thank you for stopping by Aurelia's Crafting Ideas, and I will see you next time.